watching the sun get ready to set on a Sunday evening, wrapping up the weekend. Tomorrow, back at it, 9 to 5, well, 7 to 5, whatever the case may be, but back to work. I had a good weekend, a really nice weekend. You'll see my my Friday activities. I went to John Ball Zoo, which is in Grand Rapids, Michigan. Spent some time photographing the animals and just kind of hanging out. I just needed a change of pace and some different inspiration. I have very mixed feelings about zoos. It's really hard for me to see it's hard for me to see the animals caged. I understand, some of them need to be rehabilitated. Like the story for one of the bears was, there is a three strikes law in Yellowstone. So the bear would have been put down had it not been given to a zoo or whatever the case may be. And I do get that many people have to have that intimate connection with an animal to understand the need for conservation and to want to give money and help the animals out. So again, it just breaks my heart to see some of these animals caged, but I don't know. Again, still mixed feelings. Verdict's not in yet. I tend to think that personally, I'm just not a fan. But it was nice to be out there, to have some new inspiration. The flamingos were phenomenal, beautiful. The images I got of some of the flamingos, just unbelievable. I was very excited about those. And now I'm really excited to see them in the wild. I've never seen flamingos in the wild, and there are some living not far from one of the places we're going to be when we're in Africa. So I'm hoping to see some out in their natural habitat. So it was a good day. Again, I just later in the day, seeing these kids banging on the cages. I mean, the park employees are sitting there telling them not to bang on the cages. The parents are just standing there letting them. It just adds to my discomfort about the whole zoo experience. Can't wait to see them in the wild. Africa, here we come. 73 days to go. So anyway, I hope you enjoy. Hopefully I got some good footage. I haven't even looked at any of the video footage yet. Hopefully I can show you some of the great animals that I did get to see while I was there. It's a tough call. But I am going to share. I did go. I enjoyed myself. Part of the time what is what it is. After that, Saturday was a friend's open house, or their son's open house, so went to that. And then today was in fact, I'm surprised my nails are clean. Today was house cleaning day and vacuum repair day, and got most of the house done. I have another carload of stuff for Goodwill, so cleaned out my closet, cleaned out some other stuff. Still have a couple closets to get to, but at least the house is comfortable and livable, and I'm starting the week on the right foot. So enjoy the video. Sorry for the babbling intro this week. Have fun, enjoy the animals, and we'll see you next week. Enjoy. Wouldn't you know it, through that filthy dirty windscreen up a little ways, I'm sure you can see that I am stuck waiting on a train. So I'm at the zoo. I'm too short, so maybe I'll come stand over here. So this is the statue of John Ball, and I guess he has something to do with the founding of this zoo, because it's John Ball Park Zoo. Made one trip around. The flamingos were fabulous. Gonna have a little snack and take another swing around, see if the snow leopard's out and if I can get anything any closer than I already did.